Have you ever imagined controlling a light with just the touch of your finger? No mechanical switches, no moving parts, just a simple touch to turn a light on or off. In today's project, we will learn how to interface a capacitive touch sensor within Arduino Uno and use it to control a relay module. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to control your own touch controlled lighting system, which can be used in smart home and automation projects. So without wasting any time, let's get started. We will require the following components for this project: Arduino Uno, Capacitive Touch Sensor, TTP223 Relay Module, Jumper Wires, and Light Bulb. Now let's take a close look at the capacitive sensor used in this project. This is the TTP223 Capacitive Touch Sensor module, which can detect the touch of finger without requiring any physical pressure. Unlike traditional push buttons that rely on mechanical contacts, this sensor works by detecting changes in capacitance when a finger comes near the touchpad. The module is compact, highly sensitive, and very easy to interface with microcontrollers, such as Arduino. It operates on a supply voltage of 2 volt to 5.5 volts and provides a digital output signal when the touchpad is touched. The out pin goes high, and when the touch is removed, the out pin returns low. Because of its reliability and sleek touch-based operation, the TTP223 sensor is widely used in smart switches, home automation systems, touch lamps, and many other electronic projects. On this side of the module, we have 3 pins: VCC, ground, and out. The VCC pin is used to power the sensor. The ground pin is connected to ground, and the out pin provides the digital output signal that will be read by the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the touch sensor with 5 volt. Connect the ground pin of the touch sensor with ground pin of the Arduino Uno. Connect the out pin of the touch sensor with digital pin 2 of the Arduino Uno. Connect the VCC pin of the relay module with 5 volt and ground pin with ground. Connect the signal pin with digital pin 8 of the Arduino Uno. Now let's quickly understand how this code works. First, we define the pins connected to the touch sensor and relay module. The touch sensor is connected to digital pin 2, while the relay module is connected to digital pin 8. Next, we create 2 variables. The relay state variable stores the current state of the relay, whether it is on or off, and last touch state keeps track of the previous state of the touch sensor. Inside the setup function, pin 2 is configured as an input to receive signal from the touch sensor, and pin 8 is configured as output to control the relay. The relay is initially turned off, and serial communication is started for debugging purposes. Inside the loop function, the Arduino continuously reads the touch sensor state using the digital read function. Store it in the touch state variable. The important part is the condition that checks whether the touch sensor has just been touched. If the current state is high and the previous state was low, the code recognizes this as a new touch event. When touch is detected, the relay state is toggled using the statement relay state is equal to not relay state. This means if the relay is off, it will turn on, and if it is on, it will turn off. The new state is then sent to the relay module using the digital write function. The relay state is also printed on the serial monitor, and a short delay of 300 milliseconds is added to prevent multiple triggers from a single touch. Finally, the current touch state is saved as the previous state of the next loop iteration. This allows the Arduino to detect the next touch event correctly. As a result, each time the touch sensor is touched, the relay changes its state, allowing us to control a light or any other connected appliance with a simple touch. Now it's time to test our project and see it in action. As you can see, the light is currently off. One of the interesting features of this capacitive touch sensor is that it can detect the presence of a finger even before making direct contact with the sensing pad. Watch carefully as I bring my finger close to the sensor. It detects the changes in capacitance and sends a signal to the Arduino. The Arduino then activates the relay module, causing the light to turn on. Now when I move my finger near the sensor again, the Arduino receives another detection signal and toggles the relay state. As a result, the relay turns off and light goes off. This means we can control the light simply by bringing a light close to the sensor, without pressing any button or mechanical switch. Such touchless control systems are useful in modern smart home applications, hygienic control panels, and automation projects where physical contact is not desirable. And that's it for today's project. In this tutorial, we learned how to interface a capacitive touch sensor within Arduino Uno and use it to control a relay module. We explored the working principle of the touch sensor, made all the required connection, uploaded the Arduino port and successfully controlled a light using a simple touch gestures. I hope you found this project useful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Arduino ESP32, IoT, robotics and electronics projects. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next project.